It's nothing less than a groundbreaking development in global tech trade. US chip makers Nvidia and AMD have reportedly agreed to hand over 15% of their revenue from advanced AI chip sales in China to the US government. This unprecedented arrangement clears the way for export licenses to resume following earlier restrictions. While there is no official confirmation yet, as per reports, Nvidia will pay 15% of revenue from its H20 AI accelerator sold in China. AMD will do the same for its MI308 model. These payments are not taxes, but negotiated conditions to obtain the necessary export clearances. The revenue sharing deal will give China access to the latest GPUs needed to power artificial intelligence data centers. The Trump administration earlier this year banned Nvidia's top-of-the-line H20 chip sales to China over national security concerns. After sustained lobbying, including a White House meeting by Nvidia's CEO, the restrictions have seemingly been eased. Analysts estimate that Nvidia could bring in around $23 billion in China sales of H20 chips in 2025, so a 15% share yields a substantial sum for US coffers. Critics argue the deal blurs the line between national security and revenue generation. Some experts warn it may even violate the US Constitution's prohibition on export taxes. Meanwhile, supporters say it gives US firms market access while reinforcing control over strategic technologies. From Washington's perspective, this model of conditional access could become a template for sensitive technology exports even beyond semiconductors. It represents a novel tool in balancing economic interests with geopolitical priorities, and could even lead to China buying more US soybeans, something Donald Trump has hinted at. Meanwhile, India's semiconductor ambitions, boosted by government incentives, rising AI investments, and Make in India initiatives, could also benefit from technology access, partnerships, or licensing models shaped by the US-China precedent. As US firms recalibrate strategies under geopolitical trade pressures, India could emerge as a more attractive alternative or collaborator in Asia's fast-growing tech ecosystem. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.